Hi, this is Joe Gasparino with Odiz Safety, and just want to review. At times we have customers who purchase new simple machines like a drill press, and they want added safety features before it goes to their shop floor. So a good standard practice for safety in purchasing. Here we have a 15-inch jet drill press, model number J2530, and we put the Odiz interlocked drill press guard package on there. So you just mount it with the bracket, mount this. It's actually just plug into the wall, plug your drill press in, and it has full turnkey features. So some of the functional details we've done, we actually remove the start stop that comes with the machine. We have our mounting bracket, which our enclosure mounts to. It has a start stop button, has a latching e-stop. There's actually a circuit breaker protected, and for install it's just simply plug the drill press in, plug into the wall. The guard is adjustable in height. There's actually a double switch in here on the guard for electrical safety purposes, and that comes as a package. Full turnkey anti-restart. So we're just going to get into testing some of the functions. So start, stop, operate as normal. If you start, we have a latching e-stop on here, so after it's pressed it will not restart. Pulled out, has the yellow band for visual purposes. You can start. The guard can be adjusted in height. Has a 24-inch shaft on it, so you can actually lower the table down and get towards your workpiece. When the guard is opened, it has full range, and it will not restart. If you put it back in place, it's ready to go. One of the last features we want to demonstrate was the anti-restart. So when it is in operation, if circuit breaker was tripped or somebody unplugged it, power's cut to the machine, reapply power. It does not restart as traditional hard switches that come with machines would do until the operator hits the start button. So these are, you can use, as in this case, on new machines. Odiz can do the entire turnkey before it hits the shop floor, or these can be put on existing equipment, retrofit. You can do it with your own staff, or Odiz can do full turnkey assess and install.